part of Anugraha Pattnaik. I got my commission in the Air Force in the year 1966 and served in the Air Force for 26 years. She is my wife, Dr. Priyadarshini Mahandi, but she also uses her name as a Priya. I did my Air Force service, she did her practice in medicine in India, and then subsequently
And subsequently, I actually went to USA for higher studies for doing my post-graduation. I did my post-graduation there. Since my husband was getting old and me too, we were getting old, we thought that probably time to retire and so we wanted to come back home because we like our India more. We never thought about having a lift for us because we thought that we are healthy enough, we don't need any lift. But after coming back here, I have a little bit of arthritis and also we stay on the first floor and going to our kitchen, which is downstairs, and our puja room and our gym is in upstairs, like the second floor. So we have to go just go up and down on the stairs many times. So that was really tiring also. So we thought that maybe we should have a lift here which can help us.
So what I did, I went around marketing, shopping for lifts. I saw many lifts, like the pulley type lifts, hydraulic lifts. Then we had heard about this pneumatic lift while in US. And somebody had told that this. When we came here, when I was wanted the idea of having a lift, my son-in-law from Delhi, he said that there is some company called Nibav, and probably they are giving lifts, pneumatic lifts, vacuum type, which will not require much of civil work. The best part of it is that once you are inside the lift, you can see everything around. There is no dark place. You are not enclosed with anything, like no box-like feeling. And secondly, it can be built inside a house.
Well, it has made a difference in our life, no doubt about it, and it's very helpful because I'm a medical practitioner and I have a clinic just outside my house, which is near, but still, if I come back home, I have to climb up. I used to hesitate, and until the clinic finished, I have to stay in the clinic because I just didn't want to go up down again. But now it is so easy for me, so it's really helpful, and I think it adds to the beauty of our house probably, and looking very nice, and I love it.
Only few days there was some little problem, and it was attempted, it was prompted with this thing, and immediately they took action, and it became all right. And that's one day we missed the lift, and we felt how much difference it makes. My goodness, we used to go up and down, and now we have climbed up the stairs and all. Now we have got used to this. So this is what it is. Really good. Some of the cost was within our budget. Plus that civil work I didn't want to do. I didn't want to touch anywhere on the beauty of my house. So I said, what will fit the house? And that's what it was. Looks are good, works well, and comfortable. Absolutely comfortable. This side secure.